Enjoy your time and experience at the top.
Thank you. Cozy.
Welcome to the fastest lift in the world. It will take you 1 minute to go up. Enjoy your flight.
That's right.
1 minute?
Yes.
Hold your breath.
Yes, sir.
We're moving now.
We're moving now? Really? Oh my gosh. Goodness.
Yeah, you can feel it in your ears.
Don't feel it at all.
Oh, I just started to feel in my ears.
Only when your ears up.
Wow, that is
Yes.
So how many times a day do you go up and down?
30 minutes.
How many times? Only 30 minutes.
Maybe 14.
14 times.
Yes.
What should I do with my hair?
And now you are here. Enjoy.
Wow. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Welcome back to the job.
Hello. Oh, you can see.
Oh, nice guy there, too.
Oh wow.
There's the fountain we were looking at earlier.
Oh yeah,
Well, days ago.
Oh, it's big then.
I think we should try to see it at 6, the show at 6, because look how big it is. We only saw that one, we were only on that little tiny corner over there. I didn't realize it's the whole.
Yeah, that would be very nice.
Do you like it? What do you think? It's cool. It's totally cool. I like the shape of the water and everything. It's nice. I like the shapes.